In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the send feature, this one, in Bitwarden. Okay, so the send feature is something you can use to share passwords or files, basically any text you want using Bitwarden, and you're going to do this in a secure way. So I only have one account, like I only have one password created on Bitwarden, and it's not a real password, but let's just say someone asked me for my password. Maybe this is the password of my friends or my siblings Facebook, and they want the password. So all I'll do here is just tap here and then tap copy password. After that, I'll come down here to send, and with this button I can create what I want to send. So I'll tap send, new send, and then since I'm sending a password is a text, so I'll tap text, and I can give it a name if I want. So I may call this Facebook password. Then here is where I'll enter the password. So this is a fake password, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So you have some options down here. I would recommend you turn this one on so that when you send them the link, as soon as they click the link, they're not going to just see the password immediately they click on the link. They'll have to tap on it to reveal the password. And from here you can set how long the link will be active. For now, I just choose 1 hour. And then if you click here, you get to see more options. So you can choose how many times you want the person to access the link. So if you set it to 0, then they can access it as many times as they want. But if you want, you can only allow them to access it 3 times. To keep things okay, just set it to 0. The link will expire after an hour anyways. And you can also set a password that they will have to use to say the password. For example, maybe you guys have like a special phrase you use all the time. Then you can let them know that, okay, the phrase is the password. I'm not going to do that in this video, but just know that you can do that. When you send someone a link to the password, they'll be able to see your email. If you don't want that, you can disable it from here. For now, I'll leave it. So if you create private notes, this is not visible to the person you are sending the password to. It's only visible to you. So hopefully I've explained everything. Normally, I don't even like going through different options. I just want to show you how it works and then end the video. But anyways, so I'll tap save. So after saving, it's going to give me a link that I can share. But if you don't see this, just when you go to send, tap here and then tap copy link or share link. So I'm going to tap copy link, and then you're going to send the link to your friend or whoever you want to send the password to. So I'm going to paste the link here on my Telegram account. Okay, so this is the link now. If I tap on it, you can see this is Bitwarden. Let me just zoom in a bit. At the top it says this email wants to send you a password. If I actually hit the email would not be visible here. You can see the password is hidden by default, but if I tap here, toggle visibility, then you can see the password. So this is a secure way to send passwords via Bitwarden. So let's do it again. This time I'm going to include some options. I'm going to enable this one. When I go to advanced options, I'll only allow it to be accessible once. I'm going to enter a password. For the password, it will be test. And I'll hide my email by tapping here. And that's basically all. So if I tap save, I can copy the link. If I paste the link here and I access it, you'll see now that this time it doesn't even show the email. And now it is asking for the password. So I'll enter the password. So after entering the password, I'll tap continue. As you can see, it still has the password hidden, so I'll have to tap here to view it. This is the password, so I can tap here to copy the password as well. I didn't see that when I first did it, but you can tap here to copy the password. So after copying the password, let's say I exit this. If I try to access it again, remember I set it to only show once. Now it's going to say the send you are trying to access does not exist or is no longer available. So that's how it works. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.